Hello, welcome to LearnWise Academy. Today we'll be looking into learning logarithmic equation. We are going to look into how to resolve equations like, okay, I have some of my equations. These are my equations. These are my equations. I'm going to be using logarithm laws and procedures of solving logarithmic equation to solve all these questions. Now, let me give you the laws one after the other. We have number one, which is the addition law. So we have addition law, addition law. Now your addition law simply states that if we have log A of capital A plus log A of capital B is simply equal to what? Log A of bracket AB. This is my addition law. Then the subtraction law simply states that we have subtraction law. Subtraction law simply states that A log A of B minus log A of B equal to, now this will now be division, since it's minus, it's division, so we have log A of bracket A over B. So this is our subtraction law. So move over to what? Move over to power law. Move over to power law. Now what does power law state? Power law simply states that if you have okay, power law. Now the power law simply states that if you have what? If you have log A of something like A raised to the power of, or log A of x raised to the power of y, log A of x raised to the power of y. Now if you have this, now if you want to resolve this using power law, the power comes forward to the front of the law. When the power comes forward to the front of the law, we have what? We have y. I mean the power will come forward this way to the front of the law. So if the power comes forward, we have y log A of x. So this is your power law. So we are going to be looking into the power of the base. The power of the base, which is the last one. So let me just clean up and make some. Alright, move over to the fourth one. Sorry, the fifth one. Fifth one says, sorry, this is the fourth one. Fourth one says power of the base. Now, how do we resolve that of the power of the base? Now, if you want to resolve power of the base, we simply have like what? We simply have log A of what? Log A, that's when the base is having a power. Let us do that we have log A of x equal to A. Log A of x equal to A. Now this can be resolved. We want to resolve this now. The power of the base will come over just like we solved the power law. The power of the base now will come over to the front of the law. And when it comes over to the front of the law, it becomes a reciprocal of itself. And if it becomes a reciprocal of itself, we have what? We have 1 over x of what? Of log A. Now in this case, now I can still resolve this log A. I can still resolve this because according to logarithm, if you have log 10, 10, log 10, 10 is simply equal to what? 1. So I can say log AA is equal to 1. So I can still have what? 1 over x times 1, which is equal to what? 1 over x. But just in case you are not having the same variable here, just in case I was having ax, it won't go out. Like it won't work. It won't work with changing this to 1. What I will simply have, if I was having x here, I will simply have something like this: 1 over x of log A raised to 1 over x log 1 over x of log A of what? Of A of x. Let's assume we are having something like this. Now this cannot go out because they are not having the same variable. But here it can go out because log 10 10 is equal to 1. So therefore log AA is simply equal to 1. So I can multiply 1 with 1 over x and it will go out. So now we have 1 over x as our answer. So now we'll continue with okay, from these rules or from these laws I've given, and we're going to use these laws and rules to resolve these questions one after the other. Now these ones I'm taking is the ones you are going to be resolving, then the rest you try it out yourself. And look at the ones we're going to resolve. We resolve number A, we resolve C, we resolve H, we resolve J, we resolve K, and we resolve I. So I just decided to resolve the harder ones so that you can use the knowledge that you've gotten from the harder ones to resolve the simpler ones. Now, for the first one, we have that one. We have that A. Okay, let me clean up. Alright, for me to resolve A says that log base 2 of 16 is equal to what? X. How do we resolve this? I simply repeat my question. I have log 2 of 16 equal to x. How do I resolve it? I simply say, this is the format, this is the concept I normally use. Now, 2 raised to the power of x equal to 16. This is a concept. 2 raised to the power of x equal to 16. What do I have? I have 2 raised to the power of x equal to what? 16. Just by saying the base raised to the power of y is equal to the log. So that's what I need. 2 raised to the power of s equal to 16. Now here, according to the rules of indices, I can use indices to resolve this. And if I resolve this, I'll have what? 2 raised to the power of x equal to is 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 will give us 16. So simply have what? 2 raised to the power of 4. So from here I can cancel out 2. Simply have that x is equal to what? 4. So this is for A. Now for B, for the second one I'm going to be doing, we're going to be doing log x5 equal to 3. Just like we did this one, we're going to resolve that one too. So we have what? Number one, that should be C. So C says that log x of 5 is equal to what? 3. Now solution. Now how do we resolve this? Just like we did this one, we also resolve this one that way. So we have log 5 of x is equal to 3. Now, simply said that this is the concept. We have that 5 raised to the power of what? 3 equal to what? X. 5 raised to the power of 3 equal to x. Now what do we have? We have that, and therefore we have that's 5 raised to the power of 3. 5 raised to the power of 3 equal to what? X. Now, since we have 5 raised to the power of 3 equal to x, I can resolve this using indices. 5 raised to the power of 3, of course, you know it's what? It's 5 times 5. I can use dots. 5 dot 5 dot 5 equal to what? X. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So we have what? That x is equal to what? 125. Alright, to resolve the third question. The third question says lane of 3x minus 2 equal to 5. Now this lane means natural logarithm. Now, for us to solve this question, I have to introduce you to something. That lane, the log of lane, just like we have log 10. Remember that lane is a logarithm, but I said it's natural logarithm. So now, the base of lane now is simply what? E, which means exponential value. Now for me to resolve this, I have to know the base of A, which is the natural logarithm. So what am I having? I'm having that what? I'm having, using the same procedure we use in solving all that, we have that lane E of brackets, sorry, let me write it bolder. This lane E of brackets 3x minus 2 equal to 5. Now, remember our concept. Our concept simply says the base, that's e raised to the power of 5, is equal to what? Is equal to bracket 3x minus 2. So we have what? We have that e raised to the power of 5 is equal to bracket 3x minus 2. So this is what we have. So now for us to resolve this, what do we now have to solve for x? How do we solve for x? We simply have that e raised to the power of 5, e raised to the power of 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 3x minus what? 2. 2 comes over, we have what? We have that 3x is equal to what? Is equal to e raised to the power of 5 plus 2. So we can divide both sides by 3 for us to get our x. So now 3 cancel out here, 3 cancel out here, this is this. So we have that x is simply equal to what? E raised to the power of 5 plus 2 all over 3 plus 2 all over what? 3. So this is my answer for this question. So we're going to move into the this 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. So let's move into the fourth one. Fourth one, which is I. Alright, this is I. This question I. Question I says log of 5 is 10 or log of 10 log of 10 bracket 5x plus 1 equal to log of 10x plus 5 plus 1. So this is the question. So how do we resolve this now? First of all, check the laws of logarithm. Now, one of the laws of logarithm, which is addition law, says that if you have we have log what? Log A of A plus log B of A is equal to what? Is equal to log A bracket AB. So this is the addition law logarithm. So what do? We use the addition law here. Alright, here we have the addition law. So we're going to apply the addition law here. And since the addition law says that log log AB is equal to log AB. So that's what we're going to do here. We do it here. What are we having? We're going to be having what? We're going to be having log this plus this will give us what? Log 10 of what? Of 5 brackets. Please, the 5 is also denoted as multiplication. Sorry, the bracket is also denoted as multiplication. So I can have 5 bracket 5x plus 1 and equal to log what? I will do the same thing here. Log 10 of brackets x plus 5. But you will notice something very strange. Here is plus 1. And the log that will give us plus 1 is what? Is simply log 10 base 10. This log 10 base 10 will give us what? Log 10 base 10 will give us 1. So that's give us 1 is simply what? It's simply log 10 10. So log 10 10 is equal to 1. So we do the same thing we did here. We do it here. So we have what? We have log 10. If I open bracket here, 5 times 5x, we simply have what? 25x plus 5 times 1, we simply have 5. And all equal to this log 10. I gather the log 10 together, I'll have log 10 of brackets, sorry, log 10 of 10, this 10, brackets, x plus 5 is what we have here. So now, if we open bracket just like we did here, we have log what? Log 10 of bracket what? 25x plus 5 equal to, we have log 10 of bracket, 10 times this will give me what? 10x, 10 times 5 is equal to plus 50. Now, since we have this, what do we simply do? We can simply cancel out the log 10. If we cancel out the log 10, what do we have? We have what? 25x plus 5 equal to what? 10x plus 50. So since we have this now, we can simply resolve it by collecting like terms. We collect like terms, then what are we having? We have that we have 25x, 10 crossover to this side. We have minus 10x equal to, then your 5 goes over to this side. We have what? 50 minus 5. So if we resolve this now, this minus this will simply give me what? 15x equal to 50 minus 5, we have 45. So dividing both sides by what? 15. 15 cancel out, we have that x is equal to 15 here, 15 here is 3. So we have x is simply equal to what? 3. So I come again from here. I said I open bracket here. And when I open bracket here, from here, I had this. So I open bracket here, I joined it. So log 10 comes together according to the law. Log 10, like log 8 comes together, log 10 comes together here. We have 10 bracket x plus 5. So using 10 to open bracket, I have 10 times x, 10x, 10 times 5, 50. Here I also have 10 times 5, 10 times 5, sorry, 5 times 5x, we have 25x, 5 times 1, we have 5. So from here, I will just cancel out the logs. Since log is common, I cancel it out. I have this. I collected like times this 25x, 10x crosses over, we have 25x minus what? Minus 10x, just like we had here. 25x minus 10x equal to, and this guy now, 5 will simply cross over to this side. We have what? 50 minus 5. So now 25x minus 10x, we have 15x. 50 minus 5, we have 45. So we simply divide both sides by 15 for us to get our x. So our x is equal to 3. So now, resolving this now, I would like you guys to resolve this one. I would like you guys to resolve this one I have not done. I've done this. So resolve B, resolve D, resolve E, resolve F, and also G. G together with J and K. So later we'll do the correction in the group, or we'll do it together at another YouTube video, continuation of this one, continuation of solving logarithmic functions. So thank you very much. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.